Okay, we are now at the Ravenala altitude on the west coast of Mauritius. We've just arrived, just come along to our room. Really nice, lovely bedroom, and we've got a nice view straight out onto the beach with the sunbeds all dedicated with your number on and all the rest. So you got your beanbag type sunbeds. We've got another beautiful day here today, so looking forward to getting out there onto the beach and come back in and the lounge again, and we'll go through to the bathroom. So you've got a bath, and then a separate shower, toilet, and the obligatory double sinks these days. There we go. Like I say, nice seating area. We're staying here a few days, and we'll keep you updated about the restaurants, all the rest in the next video.